Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to send a WhatsApp avatar sticker. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Open a WhatsApp chat where you want to send the sticker. Tap the emoji icon in the text input field. Switch to the Stickers tab at the bottom. You can see your avatar stickers list down in separate categories. Choose the avatar sticker you want to send and tap it. That's it, you've successfully sent a WhatsApp avatar sticker. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.